Welcome back. Okay, so this lecture is the introduction to the single vowel sounds. Okay, and I will show you the three basic mouth positions for these sounds. Okay, so the single vowel sounds work like this. There are three extreme positions of the mouth, and all of the other vowel sounds are positions in between these three primary positions. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you. There are some long sounds and some short sounds. Okay, and we will use some hand positions to help us pronounce them. Okay, so the first primary vowel sound is E. Okay, now that's not too difficult, but I want you to imagine this. Okay, look at number one. Is this part, your jaw, is it open or closed? Okay. Number two, is the mouth, the lips, are they open or closed? All right. And the last part is the tongue, forward or back? Okay. So let's try it again. E. So if you look, it's the same as cheese for a camera. The lips are back. The jaw is closed. Not completely, but it's not open. Okay. So E. Please repeat after me. E. Now this is a long sound. We can see the double dots, okay, the two dots after the sound. This is a long sound, so repeat it again. E. Alright, easy. So the second sound is the oo. Now with this one, the jaw has the same position, but now the change is the lips. So we go E, E, oo, 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 oo. So it's a good idea to practice moving your mouth from one position to the other. So for example, E, and then you keep making sound, and you make E, oo. So you change the position of the lips. Okay, cool. So that's number one and number two, and the last one is this one, number three. This sound is ah. So what we want to do is exercise these muscles over here that pulls everything up, okay? Ah. The lips are back. Everything is up here. The jaw is open. So again, ah, ah. So we can go, yeah, yeah. If you go from oo, you have to first move the lips back. Ooh, yeah, I, you. Okay. All right. So you can see that this exercise will help you to find your extreme positions. Okay. This is important. The other thing that you need to notice is where is your tongue? When we pronounce the first sound, E, it's just behind the teeth. Okay. E. When we pronounce the oo, ooh, it's actually further back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then ah, ah. You can see it. It's quite far forward. Okay. So these three sounds. Okay. Now, homework. Do you feel silly? Good. You're doing it correct. Okay. Remember, it's better to feel silly at home practicing than in the streets or in the office when you try to speak. Okay, so we are doing this so you can be more comfortable in real life situations. Okay, so I want you to do this 10 times and see how sore or tired your muscles feel. So do what 10 times? I want you to go from one sound to the other sound. So start with the third sound and go to the second, or start with the second and go to the third. For example, ah, I, you, we, yeah. Okay, all right. So I want you to move backwards and forwards 10 times. Okay. So you must practice the three main sounds. Change, play with it. Changing your mouth from open to closed, the lips from back to front, and the tongue as well. Notice these things. Okay. So that is your homework for today. Remember to do your homework one time every hour. Okay. Just for 5 minutes maximum. Okay. So that's your homework for today. Cool. I hope you have fun and don't feel too silly. Okay, bye bye.